Alright, so let's take a look at how you would install the live chat widget for the Zoho SalesIQ. Now, when you log into your SalesIQ account, it will just be salesiq.zoho.com. What would happen is that you would have already set your default website, and in my case, it is going to be mining business data. So you can see that you already have this in the URL. If you go to salesiq.zoho.com, it's going to have the slash name of your website right after that. Maybe this URL might change in the future, but for now this is what they are using. And you will also notice that the home page in the SalesIQ is automatically giving you this code that you can just copy and paste into your web page so that you can enable this live chat. And also notice that you have this option to add live chat or enable live chat. And the thing is, this is fine if you have only one website for your Zoho SalesIQ account, and you are allowed to have more. And this will only show you the primary website. Now, suppose you do have multiple sites, then you will not see this the code for this widget like up front. So I'm going to also show you how you can access the specific widget code that you're interested in. You have to go to settings and you have to go to websites. And once you have gone there, you have to click on the specific website name. So in my case, you can see that it's mining business data. I've already set this up. If you had a new website, you can see that you can also create new websites. You will actually see that as the next item in the list. And then you will have to click on that website name so that you will be able to come to this particular screen. Now, I personally think that they could have made this a little more obvious. Maybe there are some good reasons why they have set it up in this way, but I just wanted to point this out because I did spend some time looking for it. So now you have seen that they have these, you can actually click into this and see more, but for now just notice that they have visitor tracking enabled, live chat widget enabled, live chat for emails enabled. I'm going to click on the live chat widget right now. And now you can see that you have the same code available here, the snippet that you need to install, and it has all these instructions. So now let's go ahead and copy this code. I have just created a dummy page inside my WebStorm IDE. So what I'm going to do is, so this is just like, if you didn't know, this is just a way to create like websites. WebStorm is an app that, or a desktop software that you use to publish web applications. And what I'll do is I created a simple HTML page, and I'm just going to put this script that we copied into the body tag. And they recommend that you place the script. I think that they recommended you put it anywhere before the ending body tag. So this is what we have done. Alright, so now let's go ahead and click on this to preview it. Notice that it came with this, it opened this live chat widget, and also it has this this message. It shows up by default. I'm not sure if you heard a sound when it opened, but you will also have like a notification that this widget is present on your website. If somebody were to come to that site, they will hear that sound, like it's sort of like a hissing sound, and then you can click on this and you will be able to provide some information and start chatting. Now I'll cover this in more detail in a future video. For now, I'm concentrating on the installation aspects of this. Let's go back to the help pages, and one of the other things I want to point out is that most people are usually using WordPress for their website. So if you want to use this kind of JavaScript code and just put it into WordPress, it's not quite so straightforward if you are using WordPress, because there you can't add straight JavaScript into your page source code. So what they have also provided is an plugin which you can use. So you have to go and go to your WordPress admin and go to the plugins section and click on the add new. You can search for the Zoho SalesIQ, and then you can just click on the installation, which is, you can see over here, and you can activate the plugin. Once you do that, you will have some settings inside your WordPress site, where you can copy and paste this code into the installation section of that plugin that you have. So that would allow you to add the SalesIQ live chat widget if you are using WordPress.